Well, this is Sherry showing you my Walk in the Woods nature journal. It took me a long time to do, so I'm going to share it with you. It starts out with a ribbon and a hummingbird on the front, and I think this is mulberry paper. It's a hardback book, and so the first page is a bird with some fringe. It's a nature thing. And next is more postcards with ribbon, and it can be removed. There's probably, one postcard in there. The next page is a stamped image on the page with some more fringe. It's a nature thing. Another page is a vintage page out of a bird identifier book. And then this can be for journaling or just kept blank. Next one is a moose inside this orang bag, fiber bag. So it comes out. These are all linen postcards, vintage, every one of them. This is an old card here. It shows a cabin and somebody maybe painting in the outdoors. Here's a vintage card, shows a girl like out in the woods, and then there's more ribbon. And another one is another linen postcard with a imitation leaf and some more fringe. The next page is some stamped images on some fabric with some ribbon around them. Another one, here's an envelope that has something in it. I don't know if it's a journaling page or what. And this is a stamped image and more ribbon. Next page is a walk in the woods, showing the woods, and some more fibers and a stamped bird image. The next one is another envelope with some stamped images and another vintage linen postcard. The theme is mostly woods and trees. Next page is insects. This is a decoupaged butterfly. It's not a real butterfly. Next page is some more fabric and an imitation butterfly and a coffee filter made into an envelope with stamped images and fringe. And this is decoupaged, and you can do journaling inside that. Here's another fussy cut bird with some more fibers. This is a cardstock with a feather and a real feather here I put on it and some more ribbon. So this is, the nature thing, stuff you would find in the woods. And another coffee filter made into an envelope with some fibers. Here you have some more vintage postcard, bears in a belly band, and some birds cardstock with some more fibers attached. Looks like they might have a worm in their mouth or something. And we're going to turn the pages. And this is journaling area here. You can do journaling. I added paper, vintage paper. Here you have another linen postcard. It shows the trees. So you have trees here, and I tried to make this fiber into mimic some tall trees. And another coffee filter, stamped images. And here you have some chipmunks sitting on a nest or something. And then you have a patterned envelope with some fibers around it. And here's some more stuff. An envelope, 2 envelopes with journaling pages inside. It's a pretty fat book. It's got 40 double-sided pages, and each one has something on it. So here's some more nature theme, bears, and the next page is a wolf. And you have an owl with some fiber, and another stamped envelope image. Here you have a bird, and this is some more fibers. This is a reel off a red cedar tree. I don't know how long. that will last. It might have to be replaced. And then you have some more journaling pages here and a chain, I don't know. And here's a baby bear with some more fibers and another envelope thing with some more red cedar coming out of it. And the last page is a couple of mooses with some fiber. And so that's what you got here. It's a very fat journal, as you can see. And so, like I said, that's 40 double-sided pages. It's going to be for sale in my shop for $40. And so let me know what you think about it. And thanks for watching.